Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn how to add a slicer interactive filter to a pivot table using Microsoft Excel 365. A slicer is a visual filter that lets you quickly filter pivot table data with simple clickable buttons instead of drop-down menus. It makes your reports more interactive and more easier to use. For this tutorial, we'll be using a product inventory data table. Our goal is to build a pivot table and control it with a slicer. Let's get started. First, select any cell inside the table. Head to the Insert tab. In the Table section, select Pivot Table icon. This opens up Pivot Table from Table or Range dialog box. In the dialog box, make sure New Worksheet is selected and click OK. This directs us to a new worksheet. On the right hand side, in Pivot Table Fields panel, under Choose Field to Add to Report, check the field boxes you need. In this case, I'll select all of them. And just like that, our pivot table is built. Now let's add the slicer to make the pivot table more interactive. First, click on any cell inside the pivot table, go to the Pivot Table Analysis tab. In the Filter section, select Insert Slicer. This opens up Insert Slicers dialog box. Here, we can choose the field we want to filter by. Check the Item Name checkbox, then click OK. This inserts a slicer in the sheet. Now that our slicer is inserted, let's see how to use it effectively. In the Item Name slicer, click on Mouse. This filters the pivot table to show only the data for the mouse. Now to select multiple items, click on Multi-Select icon or simply press Alt plus S on your keyboard. This lets us pick multiple items at once. With Multiple Select on, let's click the keyboard category. The pivot table now shows the data for our selected items, both keyboard and mouse. Here's a quick tip. If you want to select the multiple items without the icon, just hold the Control key on your keyboard and click the categories you want, then release the Control key. Now, to clear the filter and see all the data again, click the Clear Filter button at the top right, or press Alt plus C on your keyboard. Finally, let's customize our slicer. To change the name of the slicer, go to the Slicer tab at the top. In the Slicer section, under Slicer Caption, rename the field. Let's name it Product Category. Press Enter. This changes the name of the slicer. Now let's change the style of the slicer. Go to the Slicer Styles section, click the down arrow to see all the styles, and choose the styles you want. Here, I'll go for the dark one. Now we have a new style for our slicer. Here's a quick tip. If you want to create a custom style, just go back to the Slicer Style section. In the drop-down, select New Slicer Style. This will let you create your own custom style. And there you have it. We have created a slicer where we can filter the pivot table with one click and pick multiple items for an easy dashboard. And that concludes our tutorial. Get your workbook link below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.